Hello everyone! It is Thirsty Thursday. I'm probably going to say that a few times. I don't normally do a kitchen live in my office, but we live on the Gulf Coast and the power's out. So we're in the boutique, which is kind of a fun thing. So if there's anybody here on the Gulf Coast that wants to try out Savvy Mineral makeup, I can hook you up. So right now, I'm so excited about this mocktail because it just so happens that this Thirsty Thursday also is November 1st. So who's excited about Thanksgiving? I know all my children are. They absolutely love the festive foods and everything because this is the day they come home and they walk into hot cookies being baked. But right now, what I'm going to do is show you one of our favorite mocktails, and it is with organic pumpkin puree. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the ice and scoop it to in here because we really like it. It's called a Pumpkin Colada. Also, it's the first day of November, but it's like 85 degrees here, so we're still sweating. So we are making a cold festive drink. And I probably won't share my warm ones until sometime in January or February, because that's how long it takes to have chilly weather here. So, okay, so you have like half of a container, like maybe a cup of ice, and then I add organic pineapple juice, and I just top off the ice just a little bit. So it's going to be like 2/3 of a cup of pineapple juice, and then you do like a half a cup of coconut cream. There is a difference. The cream is a little bit creamier, okay? That is 2/3 of a cup. And then I'm going to add just a squeeze of lime juice. This just kind of gives it just a little kick, okay? So that was about a half of a teaspoon. Now, here's my favorite thing to do because it is pumpkin. I'm going to add about half of a can of organic pumpkin puree, and yes, they make it. It's amazing. Okay, and I'm going to do nutmeg, which happens to be free this month for the month of November if you are on Essential Rewards. So 1 drop of nutmeg and Thieves, because we like to support our immune system. I added 2 for good measure. And we like things that are kind of spicy. So now, I'm going to just do this, close it, and put it in the blender. Y'all, it is such a gorgeous pumpkin-y November fall festive color. And now I'm going to serve it in our mocktail glasses. Now, for those of you wondering, because I always do this, we have Vanilla Spice Pure Protein Complete. So if we're drinking this just as a fun festive drink, a lot of times I won't put the protein powder in it, but if we're using it as a fun festive after school snack, so when the boys come home and they're eating hot, warm cookies, I usually like to use like either the Balance Complete, which is just a vanilla, But this time of year, we go through a lot of vanilla spice pure protein complete. It is delicious. So you can add like just a scoop of that to it. I will be sharing the recipe in our cooking group. And cheers, Mocktail Mama. Thirsty Thursdays. Have a wonderful Thursday, y'all.